Hey guys, this is Whale Hater doing Packet Tracer 6224, but this is not for CCNA 3, this is for CCNA 2. We have a special request today. This is for Jack. Hey Jack! Today we're going to be configuring the trunks. Now, let's get down here, VLANs. Display the current VLANs. So on S1, we are going to do a show command. Alright, do show VLAN brief. This is going to be all the different VLANs that are available currently, unless we configure more. There's 1, 10, 20, 30, 88, 99, 1002, 1003, 4, and 5. Now these 1002 to 1005, those are default, as is VLAN 1. The ones that have been configured by an admin are the 10 through 99. So these 5 down here, and this, or well, 4 down here, 1 up here, are all the default VLANs. So yeah, they're all there. It should be 10. Yeah. Now notice it says all 24 access ports are all on VLAN 1, and that's just how they start out. That's the basic configuration. Now, best practice is to take those and move them to someplace other than VLAN 1, because everybody knows those interfaces are going to be on VLAN 1 if they haven't been configured away. But we'll just leave them there for now, at least most of them. Alright, so on S2 and S3, display and verify all the VLANs are configured and assigned to the correct switch ports according to the addressing table. How do we do that? Well, the same command we just did over here. Now, I'm not going to do both of them because they're right. They just want you to get used to being able to do the show commands to find them. So you'll notice when I do this command, it says here on S2, so it should be 11, 18, and 16 should be on 10, 20, and 30 respectively. So there's 10, 11, yep, 18, 20, yep, and 6 and 30. So those are right. Well, it makes our job easier. Okay, verify loss of connectivity between PCs on the same network. What you could do is ping PC4 from PC1. Ping 172.17.10.24. Does it work? No, it does not. Why not? Well, it's because the trunk ports are not configured correctly. These ports aren't sending VLAN data across them because they haven't been configured. What we're going to do is configure the trunks. Configuring trunks on S1 and use VLAN 99 as the native VLAN. Okay, let's do it. Oops, interface. Let's do the range command. G01 through 2, switch port, mode, trunk, enter. Okay, so now I want you to pay attention to this. Let's fast forward time, get those interfaces back up and going. Watch this. Whereas before, all these commands, or the ping was unsuccessful, it will be successful this time. Why? Why? Even though, well, I'm skipping ahead a little bit. But even though you can see here, this is a native 1 default. So these are all in the same VLAN right now. This is on VLAN 1, this is on VLAN 1, and then both of these interfaces over here on VLAN 1. So that they're all trunks. The VLAN is tagged, the ping is tagged on VLAN 10, so it says, hey, this information's for VLAN 10. It sends it off to S1. S1 says, hey, to S2 or S3, hey, this is for VLAN 10, and he goes, okay, so he sends it off to VLAN 10, PC4. Now let's do one more thing. Let's set this switch port trunk, and we're going to assign it to a native VLAN of 99. Enter. So now those two interfaces are on a different VLAN. What in the world is going to happen? Let's do a fast forward time. Look at here. We're getting these native mismatch or native VLAN mismatches. So what's happening is when this is on a different VLAN, but it's also a trunk. So PC1, show you this. PC1 is still going to be able to ping. What's happening is PC1 sends it to S2. S2 says, hey, I'm going to send this off to all VLAN 10 traffic, and that's down my trunk, so send it up my trunk. oh, this one's on VLAN 1. That's not VLAN 1, but, well, it's a trunk, so well, hopefully it gets there. So S1 says, oh, this is for VLAN 10. I know, send it off to S3. S3 goes, oh, VLAN 10 data. It's coming from a weird native VLAN, though. Well, I guess it's got to send it to VLAN 10. So it does. So the packets will still ping. No problemo. And there is my written answer for that. So it's just because even though it's on they're different native VLANs, they're kind of bleeding into each other. I can't remember exactly the term for it, but it's kind of overflowing into a different VLAN, and that happens especially with trunks. Now we want to make sure that these trunks are working properly on S2 and S3, and of course they are, because we can ping, right? Okay. So they're working. The native VLAN is 1. The allowed VLANs, to answer this question, which active VLANs are allowed to cross the link? Those are the active VLANs. Now, what are allowed? Everything that's allowed is able to go across is 1 through 1005. But what the ones that are active are just 1, 10, 20, 30, 88, and 99. So this is a packet tracer I turned in. I don't think that those are allowed. So we can back that off. So just those ones are allowed. Those ones are active. Okay, correct the native VLAN mismatches on S2 and S3, which means that we need to go to interface G01. This is S2, so it's G01. We say switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Oops, VLAN 99. Okay, look at that. Look what we got. Unblocking gigabit Ethernet 01 on VLAN 99. Port consistency restored. So wonderful. That's great. It's working now. Everything's running fine. Let's do the same thing over on S3. Okay, switch port, trunk, native VLAN 99. Same thing. Consistency has been restored. Spanning tree unblocks it. Spanning tree keeps loops from happening, so it's not the best thing. Not the best thing when that happens. So right now we are sitting at 80 points down here, so we can turn that packet tracer in, but we still need to finish this last question. Okay, what does it say? Issue the show interface. Give the interface switch port command to verify that the native VLAN is now 99. Okay, we can do that quick if you want. Do show interface G01 switch port. Now, right here it says that it is a trunk. The VLAN is native 99. Yeah, okay, so everything's working fine. Use the show VLAN command to display information regarding the configured VLANs. Why is G01 on S2 no longer assigned to VLAN 1? Well, it's because it's assigned to the native VLAN of 99, and it's also a trunk port. So all trunk ports will disappear. That's why you can't find G01 anywhere in here. It's because it's a trunk port and it's been gobbled up by the Cisco monster. They're now trunk ports. Anyway, I think we're done with this one, right? Yeah, we're done. Well, thank you very much for watching. You guys are awesome, as always. Again, thank you, Jack, for putting in the request for this. As I have time, I'm going to start filling in more and more of those older packet tracers. If you have any special requests, go ahead and shoot me a comment or an email over at whalehater@gmail.com. I'll try to get back to you. You guys are... oh, please subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm coming up with videos like this often enough to matter, I suppose. Again, yeah, whatever. Peace.